Hey guys, Angela here, and today it's my day off. I'm gonna share to you guys, I want to make that viral pasta dish that's happening on TikTok, the one with the feta cheese that apparently made Finland run out of feta cheese for a minute. So that's exciting. I also heard certain grocery stores here in the US are running out of feta cheese because of this video. Luckily for me, I got some feta cheese. So we're gonna make that right now. It's lunchtime, so I'm a little hungry. I also wanna make Gigi Hadid, since I'm like making pasta already, I wanna make Gigi Hadid's vodka sauce that's also like trending on TikTok. So yeah, it's gonna be like a pasta vlog today. So stick around and we'll have a great time. Let's make some pasta. Let's go. Okay, so we have our baking dish. And then apparently it's just a bunch of like cherry grape tomatoes like that. Then two of the cherry tomatoes, I am just going to spray some really good olive oil on them and zhuzh them around, just like that. And then I'm going to salt them generously, pepper. And then we have our block of feta cheese that we're just gonna make room. Also gonna spritz some olive oil on the feta. I am gonna put some generous amounts of black pepper on it. So this is pretty much the basis of the recipe. I've seen a lot of people add herbage. They went ahead and put their garlic in right away so that the garlic gets all roasty toasty. I'm gonna put that at the end on the original video that I've seen. So this is gonna go in a 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the tomatoes are like roasty toasty and the cheese is all bubbly. While this is in the oven, we're gonna cook our pasta and we'll finish up this recipe. Look how freaking easy that is. So while it's still like freshly hot out of the oven, we are gonna put our garlic in. And then I have some basil here, and I'm actually just gonna rip them organically like this. Okay, gotta get a photo for the Insta. Look at this. Oh my God. We wanna smash our tomatoes. Oh, look how juicy. Now we add our cooked pasta to this mix. Also reserve some pasta water because, you know, culture. Oh my God, that looks so good. Look at that. I am so hungry. This looks so delicious. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, let's give, I'm so excited. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. It could use less salt because the feta was salty as it is, but oh, it's so savory. It's so savory. It's salty, it's sour, a little bit of sweet. The herbage really helps elevate that fresh element that this dish needs. 10 out of 10. I can't fill up too much on this pasta dish because I gotta make that Gigi Hadid vodka sauce recipe. So let's get started. Okay. Here are the ingredients to make Gigi Hadid's pasta recipe. So we have some butter, some vodka, some garlic, tomato paste, some Parmesan cheese, and some heavy cream. You could also add some chili peppers. I have them in the back also for this recipe. And this is literally it. Super simplistic and super easy. Okay, to a cold pan, you want to add your butter and your garlic. And we're actually going to slowly heat it up. So put it on slow because you want the flavor of the garlic to really come out. And yes, I'm using chopsticks. So We have a little bit of olive oil down in the bottom of this pan, just to ensure that this butter won't burn. But we're just gonna slowly melt it, let the garlic and the butter slowly meld. Okay, so you're gonna start seeing it bubbling. Usually at this point, this is where you'll add your red chili flakes. I don't have red chili flakes. I have this. So hopefully this will work out for a little bit of kick. So we'll just stir that right in. And then we're gonna add our tomato paste, and it's basically like a 1/4 cup of it. So a good amount of tomato paste, which is basically all that I have here. There we go. And then we really just want to cook it out. Then you want to add our vodka, and be careful. I suggest turning off the heat and then letting the vodka cook out. Again, turn off the heat when this happens. Let the alcohol cook out first. Evaporated pepper and some salt. Now we're gonna slowly mix in our heavy cream. Introduce our pasta, grated cheese. And we cook the pasta a little al dente so it could continue cooking a little bit more in our vodka sauce. And here it is, Gigi Hadid's pasta dish. I am beyond excited to try this pasta dish. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. I topped it with some fresh basil that I had. I think the recipe calls for green onions. I think it's whichever type of herbage you can have to add a fresh element to this pasta dish. So let's give this a try. Let's see what all the hype is about. What? Oh, I need another bite. What the heck? This tastes like I went to a restaurant. I'm not even gonna lie. The feta cheese pasta that I made, 10 out of 10. This pasta, 15 out of 10. It's really a pasta dish for everybody's palate. Very easy to place. So if you want to make a dish for someone and you're not quite sure what they're into, this is a safe thing to make. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love pasta like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.